very smartly, talk to tenants one-on-one. It is what we call the Kashi project. You come to tenants and you pay everyone out individually, and you don't look at what the societal or the environmental impact is. So let me tell you that it is, I may not live in Utoda, I may not live in Majoda, but for people who do, and for people who do in Goa, it is very important that we stand up and we learn from the recent past, the very recent past in the last year, where people have literally stood on the ground, stood in tents, stood under the bare sun through winter, rain, hail, everything, and they have said, we will not move. So similarly, if that kind of a mass movement and that kind of a people's movement is built up against this double tracking, I know we can stop it. So we have everyone on board, and as long as we have common people and we have courage, we will back this to the hilt. I appeal to all of you to stand here today on the tracks and to take a vow the way Netaji did, that we will give blood, but we will not be taken in with this. So I appeal to all of you that let us take a pledge today to stop this. We have with us very eminent people who have given up their lives, who have given up their youth for this cause. And I think with all of these sacrifices, we are in a very good place.